According to a report released by the American Chamber of Commerce in South China on Tuesday, the majority of 183 companies studied are optimistic about growth of the Chinese market. Of these companies, 76% plan to reinvest in China in 2024. The enterprises studied by the report come from the United States, China, the European Union and other countries and regions, of which wholly foreign-owned enterprises account for more than half. American companies represent nearly half of the businesses studied.
For reinvestment in China's market, of course, continues to represent a healthy, growing market for American companies to invest and continue to prosper. We realize that that 75% of our American companies that are in China are primarily here producing goods and services in China and importing into China. And we think that the future is going to be bright.
The annual special report on the state of business in South China is regarded as an important window into China's business environment. This year marks the 20th release of the report by AmCham South China.